Hello everyone, welcome to our live channel. This is Fiona from Fence. Okay, this is our to prepare the samples. And for the age protection fence, it is fully used in construction under building to protect the peoples. And for the age protection fence, we have two types. And you can see for the top, and the first one is just flattened. And the second one, this is how a bending for the yellow panel. And the next time I will to introduce the age protection fence for the popular size and for the production size and for the package. Age protection fence, it is very easy to install. And for the fence, it's very popular in some place, especially is some people to build a building. And for the fence panel, you can see for the width, for normally the wear diameter is different for the horizontal wear and the vertical wear. And normally is for the horizontal wear is 5 millimeters, and for the vertical wear is 4 millimeters. Or another size is for horizontal wear is 6 millimeters, and for the vertical wear is 5 millimeters. And the third one is for horizontal wear is 8 millimeters, and for the vertical wear is 6 millimeters. We also can see it welded with a plate. This is a red one, and maybe can you see on this also have on the bottom have a bending for the plate, and the welded with panel has a bending for the yellow. Thank you for your attention, and today I'm finished to my introduce.
Ether.com makes foreign trading easier.